back to my channel. As most of you know, I just started a job in marketing. I've had this job for a month now, and honestly, I'm still getting used to the whole like waking up, I'm going to work, I come home from work. That in of itself, just like the schedule of the timing that you're on day to day, is an adjustment, but I've been really loving my apartment. This is my first time ever living alone, but there's still so much that I want to do in here. I just did a little bit of a cleanup in here. I needed to like do some dishes and make my bed and all of that stuff. There's still some areas in my apartment that I need to organize or find some decorations for. This spot behind me, like behind my couch that's against the wall, I have another couch over here, but for this wall behind this couch, I have a big, like, not mural, I have a big painting that was my mom's. It was actually in her first apartment, so it's kind of like a full circle moment, but it's really pretty. It's a Monet painting, so I'm really excited to get that up. I need like a little bit of color in here. I just got this giant candle from Target. It smells really good. It's apple orchard, but I really love it. It reminds me of my grandma's house. My grandma Loie's house. It really does. That's her name. Her first name, Loie. I want to show you guys some things, some updates, apartment updates. First of all, if you haven't seen my TikTok, I just made my little afternoon pick-me-up drink. It's my Waterdrop. You guys have heard me talk about Waterdrop before. This is their new Breeze flavor that's so good. It's so refreshing, but it's still sweet. Waterdrop also was too kind and sent over this really cool ice cube tray. Love that. I'm, for some reason, like fixated on ice right now, but just like those silicone molds are so fun. They also sent over a beach bag. You guys have most likely heard me talk about Waterdrop before. They're these flavored drops that you put in your water. They're 100% sugar-free, vegan, and gluten-free. I have their newest flavor in here. It's called Breeze. It's so good. It's just the right amount of sweet and refreshing. It's watermelon, cucumber, and thyme, I believe. And it has vitamin C, biotin, and B6, which B6 is really good for you for so many reasons, but also it helps aid your food to become energy, if that makes sense. So it's a great afternoon pick-me-up because I literally would be a zombie if I don't have something to like get me going after I get home from work. You guys can use my code BREEZEBROOKE when you're on Waterdrop, and if you spend $30, they will send you their new flavor, Breeze, for free. They have the cutest water bottles, so many cute little things on there. It'll be linked down below. I highly recommend you just go browse on there because their water bottles are like actually the cutest brand of water bottles I've ever seen. Very aesthetically pleasing, but also practical. Thank you, Waterdrop, for sponsoring this video, and thank you to you guys because without your support, I wouldn't get opportunities like this. First of all, if you haven't seen my TikTok of me making these couches, I can't even say like me. It was my mom. My mom did these and I was taking videos of her and made a TikTok. If you haven't seen that, you need to go see it because I'm obsessed with these couches. So these bottom cushions still need to be sewed like separately, like how these are. Basically, my mom and my aunt sewed each of these cushions. These were all blankets from Target, and they even like made little covers for the cushions so they're like removable. It just started pouring outside. What? It's rainy. When I get home from work, this is all she does for like an hour at least. Like, she's so loud and just constantly meows. Getting to the point of why I was talking about this, update on these cushions, but also I need to get a larger staple gun with staples that are longer because they're coming out in a few places. So I need to get a like big staple gun that was bigger than the one we used before, with some longer staples, and just do like a little touch up. I don't know. Didn't I just grab this? So that's where the painting's gonna go. I just got this lamp from Target. I love it. It was so cheap, you guys. I feel like it was $15. It might have been on sale, but not for that much cheaper, like only a few dollars. I'll link that. It's so cute. And then you guys know this mirror. I've had this mirror for a while. I'll link it. It's so big, like you can't even tell, but it's just really wide. I love it. But I don't really know what to do right here. I feel like I need something. This never stays here, but I'm filming, so it's out. But I feel like I need something here. I was thinking maybe a bar cart. That could be cute, but I don't know. I'm just not really sure. If you guys have any ideas, like literally anything at all. Same if you guys have any ideas with this area. So I really love this. If you guys remember my old room from this past year in college, this looks just like that white wallpaper that I put up in my room. So it's kind of funny and cute, but we repainted these stools. I need to actually put one more coat on this stool. Can't really tell on camera, but it's like got some areas that are not white. But I need something up here. So I was thinking potentially doing a like little gallery wall with like 9 pictures, like 3 and 3. I don't know. Do you guys think it's too long to do like a 3 and 3? Because it'll really only be like from here to here probably, you know? Like it's not gonna fill up the whole thing. I don't know, but I wanna do something with this because right now I have junk on there, but when that's off, like it's literally just so plain. And then I was thinking, do I need to put something, I don't know. I'm just like thinking out loud, but maybe like a little picture there or something. I know that in the bathroom I wanna find like a cute little tiny picture to go right there of like even just a graphic that I like. Well, there's my rings. And then like this area in my bedroom's pretty empty, but I'm like fine with that. I even might hang up my calendar right there because it feels like a little much with the TV. But over here I still need to put up all like my books and things, so maybe I'll do that tonight. It's such a mess. I just organized it. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I also got that. This was all part of like a Instagram ad that I did with Walmart. I like kind of reorganized my closet, got some new stuff, got a new nightstand. I put the other one just on the other side because you can't even like tell it's there. But I love this one. I like that it's a little bit higher, to be honest. I think it looks nicer. But I need to do all of this. So there's some things on the agenda for sure. Oh, I also got this rug. I could have got, they have one size larger. This is from Target. They had one size larger. I honestly should have got for this area. It can handle like a little bit of a bigger one, but that's fine. And then I also got it for my kitchen, the same exact one. That's why I got that other size. I just like wasn't sure how much space I had. I also had like piles and piles of boxes for like the first 3 weeks that I was in this apartment. I literally moved them like 2 days ago, but it looked like this area was like way smaller. So I thought this was the size that I needed, but I definitely could get a bigger one. Maybe I'll just get a new one for like the winter time. I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna throw on a show or something, and I'm gonna paint this stool, paint these knobs. These knobs go over here on this drawer. This was all furniture, old couches from my house that were just like up in our room above the garage or whatever. And same with the stools, like these have been in our kitchen forever, but it just worked out because my mom was moving at the same time I was. It's the next day now. I went to bed at a decent time last night, which I pretty much do every single night because of work. Unless I really can't sleep, I am always going to bed early. But I woke up early this morning and I cleaned all of that area that I was telling you guys. I had my cup of coffee. I have about a half hour before I need to leave for work. I'm going to put up all the books and things that I want up there. So I'm gonna set up the camera and we'll do a little montage. Okay, that looks cute. I can't believe it took me so long to put stuff up there. There's honestly still so much to do, but I'm glad that I just got that done. It took me way too long. Like, I've been here a month. I need to pick it up. But yeah, I'm gonna head to work. I'm actually gonna go visit my friends tonight. I'm really excited. Back at school, so I'm looking forward to that. Now that things are like getting organized, I'm knowing like what I actually need now, what I need to go buy and all that. So maybe next video will be like a little Target home goods adventure if you guys are interested in that. If you guys have any questions about work or my life, anything, leave them down in the description box and I will answer them in my next video and do a life update. I plan on doing a whole like life update video sometime soon. Thank you to Waterdrop for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Make sure you go follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!